something. And I'm back with another video, y'all. Today I'm coming to you guys with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. It comes with 5 full-size items. I don't know how to, I don't even remember the price. I want to say the price is $27.99. I'll make sure to put it across the screen or put it down in the description box below. They did add on a $1.99 government fee. My apologies. I said it in the box of charm video. Okay, I made a mistake. So whatever fee it is, it's a damn fee, okay? And they added it on the Ipsy, not Boxy. I can't keep up with the prices because they always switching it, so I don't know. I can't keep up. But yeah, I just wanted to apologize for that. So let's get into this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June, so we can see what Ipsy got in this bag for you girl, okay? Let's get into this bag. Here's a bag right here. This is cute. I love the little popsicles on it. I love the purple little strings, but you guys do know that I don't give a damn about these bags. I don't. They're cute. They are, but I really only care what's in these bags. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June, then let's get into this bag. We don't got nothing to talk about unless we're talking about these items in this bag. So let's get on into this bag and see what Ipsy put in here for me this month. So it does come with a card. And they do have a theme for each month. The theme for this month is Show Your Colors. And it is Pride Month, so happy Pride Month to you all. It doesn't have any of the items or the prices listed in here. So first item we're gonna pull out this little cute bag is these brushes, which I really didn't research any of these things, y'all. I typically never do. If it doesn't come with a card, or if it doesn't come with a card, I really don't look them up unless I already know what it is, but I don't know I'm not sure who it is, and it didn't come on the bag either. So here's the 3 brushes that it came with right here. And it says something on there, but I don't know. Yeah, I really don't know what it says, to be honest. So let me show y'all, just in case I don't know. So it has something right there on it, which I'm sure y'all probably can't even see, but hell, I can't either. So it comes with 3 brushes, and I think I picked this. If I'm not mistaken, I did pick this. So let me just show y'all the brushes really quick. So here are the brushes right here. Super lightweight. I really love this brush right here. Let me show y'all. I've never seen a brush like this. It's kind of like a little flat. It's a little flat brush, but it's really cute. And I thought this would be good for putting like shadow on the lid, like patting it on or doing a cut crease maybe. This is really cute. Actually, I am gonna try to do it with I'm gonna try to do a cut crease with this because it's the perfect round shape. Or you can use it for whatever you want, but I typically, I like that roundness of it, and it's hard for me to find like a round cut crease brush. What I can do is add some glue on it, let it harden up, and then use it for a cut crease brush since I don't have one. But you definitely can use it like that. And then cut the crease. I think it'll be good for cutting the crease, but anywho, these are the brushes. So this is the first item. I don't know how much these are going for. I don't even know who they're by because I can't even read I can't read the name on it. So this is it. This is the first item. Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't know who it is. The second item in this bag is by Fenty Beauty right here. And I thought I had this, but I don't. So here it is, super pretty. We all love Fenty, okay? I do. I love Fenty. And it has a mirror right here. And this is a highlighter in Mo Honey. So very pretty, very pretty. And y'all know, I don't have no highlight on, so I gotta put some on. a highlighter. Very pretty. Let me quit. Let me stop. Okay, let me stop. Here is the Mo Honey highlighter right here. Very, very, very pretty. Definitely loving it. Let me just show y'all a swatch, just in case y'all want to see. So there's a highlighter right there. Very pretty. Okay. All right, so the next item in the box bag is this right here. And this is by Ciate London. And I do have this, and I love this. I really love this. Let me see if I can. Come on, let me see if I can find it. And I never can find it. But this is the Dewy Skin. The Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. And I really, really love this. I don't know if I received this in BoxyCharm or Ipsy. I'm really not sure, but do I got this? I want to say I have this. Let me see. I found the box, so that means it's somewhere in here. So that makes sense. I know I had, and I like this. I don't know where it is, but it's in here somewhere. All right, so yeah, that's the Dewy Skin Primer by Ciate London, and I absolutely love this. I love the way it makes your face glow. I didn't think that I would like it because I'm an oily person. I'm an oily woman when it comes to like my skin, and I just knew for sure that I wouldn't like it, but I love it. I do. I love it. It gives us this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful glow. So that is the primer. That is the Dewy Skin Primer by Ciate London, and we loving it. I don't remember how much it was, but well worth it. The next item in this little cute little bag is these little fingernail polishes right here, and I did choose these because I said I need to start doing my nails. Okay, start doing your nails. I have my own nails that I don't take care of. I ain't gonna say I don't take care of my nails, but I wanted to start getting like fingernail polishes and start doing my own nails. The only reason why I don't paint my nails is because it always comes off. Like the minute I put it on here and I'm washing my hands constantly, it seems like it always come off. So I said, let me start taking care of my own nails because I do have nails. I just don't never paint them. So that's why I end up choosing these so that I can start painting my nails. And my little girl's starting to like fingernail polish, so I said, okay, well, we're gonna start getting some fingernail polish. Came with 2 of them. So these are by Mishka Beauty. So here they are right here, and we're gonna try them out. So that's the 4th item. Yeah, so that's the 4th item in the bag. Okay, the last item in the bag, y'all, is this Tasha Denona Jubilee 5-pan eyeshadow palette, which I do currently already have. But just in case you guys haven't seen it, I'm gonna show it to you anyways, but I'm not gonna swatch it because I already have one. Here it is right here. This is really pretty. It was kind of an odd color story to me because I'm, like, I can deal with the pinks, like the neutrals, but when they get to the little bright colors right here, it's like, what do I do? What do I do? So here's mine right here. I'm gonna swatch this one. This was the new one. And I think I got this from Drop Shop, or I think I did. I got this from Drop Shop. But this was a, it was a different, like the colors were different for me. And I'm like, okay, what do I do with it? Being that I love bright colors, but I just never know what to do with bright colors. So I'm still kind of trying to make my way. But they're very pretty. This blue was so pretty. That blue was so freaking pretty. Let me see where I can put. Let me put it right. Damn it. I always end up doing this. Hold on, y'all. This blue was really pretty. I mean, she has some fabulous, she's got fabulous shadows. So that's really a really beautiful, beautiful blue. Very, very beautiful blue. We're going into this pink right here, which is super pretty as well. Very pretty. Yeah, I didn't go into the, let's go into the light pink too. Very pretty. The blue. I mean, so here is Did I got 5? 1, 2, 1. Oh, I'm missing the yellow. Very pretty. So here are the colors right here. They show up, they're there, it's beautiful. I mean, you can't ask for anything better. So there they are. Very pretty. Very pretty. So in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June, we received the Tasha Denona 5-pan eyeshadow palette called Jubilee. We received the Ciate London Dewy Skin Glass Primer right here. We received the Fenty Beauty, the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter right here. We received the 2 fingernail polishes right here. Lastly, we received our 3 makeup brushes right here. So this was a dope little bag. This was a very cute little bag. I'm very happy to receive this bag. I don't know how much it was, but I know it was very, very, I mean, I'm sure that the Fenty or the eyeshadow palette was the bag. I mean, it was a dope little bag. So I'm definitely feeling it. The bag was wonderful. I love this bag. I usually typically love Ipsy Glam Bag. You get a hit and miss every once in a while. But usually I've been having a lot of fun with the Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses. So that is it for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, y'all. You guys, let me know what you received in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. Let me know what you liked in your bag. What was your favorite item in this bag? I don't really have a favorite item in this bag. If I would have to choose, I would definitely go for the Tasha Denona palette, and then the Fenty, and then the Ciate primer, and then the fingernail polishes, and then the brushes. So, damn, we got our makeup, except for the fingernail polish. So yeah, that was a dope little bag. If you guys do not know, I'm doing a giveaway, and I am giving away this Royal Rose palette by Cosmic Brushes, or Cosmic Brush. Don't forget to go, this palette was the freaking bomb. Don't forget to go like that video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. And the Cosmic Brush, I don't know if it was I think I was trying on this palette in there. You guys will see it. It's just recent. So just go like that video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, an emoji or something, just so I know that you entered into the giveaway. So this is the palette. There's many more to come. So that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you think about that bag, and let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. And if you don't get a bag, that's okay. Let me know what items you would like to try, and let me know. Just let me go. Let me go. I gotta go take me a nap before I go to work. So that is it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see all you beautiful blessed people in my next video. I am Ego Tripping, and I'm out. Bye, y'all.